Hi, this is my Villiers Mark 12 pump, and it is driving a IBC Perry pump. Both engine and pump have been restored by me, and yeah, I've just got the pump hooked up, made the base, and yeah, we'll give it a test run. Right, so fuel's on. So flood give the carby a tickle. Set the throttle and pull the engine back to compression. Just pull it in, it should just fire away. First pull. Really? Smoky since I just filled it up with oil and I've gone over a bit, so it should clear out soon. And this is my homemade insurance. You can see it goes comes up. I made up that little roller. I need to move the tank because as you can see the tank's moving the boat. As you can see, it's got quite good force under it. And then if I back it off a bit, it starts working a bit harder. That's the water. And yeah, see